Sean again, an application engineer here at WinDaq Instruments. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to stream data into an existing Microsoft Excel spreadsheet template using the ExcelLink add-on. One of the more useful functions of ExcelLink, the ability to stream data in real time into an existing Excel template, allows you to do things like perform arithmetic functions, multiply one channel by another, or divide one channel by another, or, as in our example here, graph data in real time as it's being streamed into your Excel template. Once you've created an Excel template, in this case we're going to stream data into Microsoft Excel and create a real-time graph, simply run the Advanced Trigger ExcelLink add-on from the Add-ons menu and choose the Slope tab, as we've done before. Only this time, instead of streaming data into a blank spreadsheet, we're going to actually choose the template that we've already created. And that will be the destination for the data that we stream into Excel. So we'll choose to stream data when the values on channel 1 rise above 1 volt. And then when we click the Start button, instead of a blank spreadsheet coming up, we can see here that our template comes up. And now, once the signal jumps above a volt on channel 1, we can see that the data in WinDaq streams into Microsoft Excel, and we're actually graphing that same data in real time that we're displaying in WinDaq.